player's path. It's a performance-based grading system from scottsbasslessons.com that will help you propel your playing from the level you are today to the level you always wanted to be. It consists of 9 levels, each with multiple performance pieces. Each piece will teach you specific techniques and concepts using detailed in-depth video tutorials. Each level consists of selecting 3 out of 6 suggested songs. I already went through all of them. However, I am going back to level 1 to play each and every song, this time rearranging and recomposing the bass lines. So let me show you how the website looks like. I've got a new message. What is this? Oh, there's a new course. Rhythm section development. Sounds interesting. All right, so the player's path is at the top of the website. It's parallel to the courses. Click here. And this is the player's path. So you can see it's the 9 levels. Each level has a badge. I already earned all of them. If I hadn't, the ones I hadn't earned would be grayed out. So let's select level 1. And as you can see here are the 6 songs. Let's choose one of them. And each song comes with resources. There's the videos. You have downloads where you can download the sheet music and also the play along track. As you can see, level 1 is pretty basic, just quarter notes, very simple bass line. And as the levels progress, they get more and more difficult. Now, this was a very interesting exercise. The most enriching experience was with Saint Lucia, the reggae song, since I had never played the style before. So it made me look into tips and techniques to play a stylish reggae bass line. So as you can see, even after finishing level 9, there's still lessons to be learned if you go back to a level 1 song. My favorite song to play though was Fine Wine, in the style of gypsy jazz. The acoustic guitar gives it a Django Reinhardt feel, and once the walking bass line starts flowing, you get transported to Paris in the 1940s. The only thing missing though is a violin solo, so at the staff at SBL, please get a violinist and record over this track. Please. Thank you and stay tuned for level 2.